Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this stunning Yamaha YZF-R125, registered the 28th of October 2021 on a 21 plate, with only 2,159 miles with service history and presented in the awesome tech black. The R125 is not just a facelift, it's a totally new and revamped model of the outgoing version. It produces more glorious torque, mid-range grunt and revs out at a whopping 11,000 revolutions per minute, giving you an impressive top end. With a full LCD easy-to-read screen, with the added option to personalize your welcome when you turn the key. The handling is sweet, and gives you the big bike feel as it is closely styled to its impressive bigger brothers the R1 and R6. This learner legal sports bike is the cream of the crop and is so easy to see why it won the MCN 125 of the year. This highly sought after learner legal bike comes serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, PDI, 12-month MOT, and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01 424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.